Hello everyone, my name is Pragati Jha Parasar. I am from Hooghly Mohsin College and I am legal intern of LexClick company. My topic is partnership agreement. So here we discuss what is partnership agreement, and we have when we draft a partnership agreement, what is necessary to know about that. So what is partnership agreement? So partnership agreement is an internal business contract that outlines the responsibility duties of the partners in the business. Through the help of partnership agreement, we know about the profit loss, responsibility duties, drawing resolution, withdrawn, anything about the partnership. It is used as a evidence if anything occurred in the near future. So partnership agreement is necessary if we enter into the partnership. So partnership agreement may be done by two parties, minimum two-person and maximum any of the numbers. Partnership agreement go by different names depending upon the industrial quality, place, etc. So any person can suggest their name in according to their product, like textile, clothes, and steel, different industry. According to their industry, they can choose their name, their partnership business. So there are different type of partnership, like articles of partnership, business partnership, general partnership, creation of partnership agreement, formation of partnership agreement, general partnership agreement, and the partnership contract. So what is general? In general partnership agreement, internal partnership, all the partners have equal profit, equal loss. Limited partnership protect the partners according to their contribution in the business. Some partner invest more capital, so they have earned more profit, they have bear more risks. But some partner have less contribute amount of profit, so they have bear less amount of loss and profit. Limited liability means their profit and their capital in the partnership business are same, but their liability is limited, so it is called limited partnership. So partnership agreement helps to solve the dispute. In the partnership agreement, all the details should be recorded related with the business. If we draft the partnership agreement, there must be the name of the partners who are contributed in the partnership business, their name, their address, their full details, their phone number, all are recorded on the partnership agreement. What type of they want to do partnership, what type of product, what type of business they want to do. So all the business related information should be recorded in the partnership agreement. The name of the business, their quality, their goods name, and all license, all should be recorded in the partnership agreement. So next is capital. What if there is four partners, then what amount of capital is contributed by each of the partner should be mentioned in the partnership agreement. So profit ratio, profit amount, the ratio, the which is earned by the different partners should be mentioned. There may be the equal profit sharing ratio, or they may be the according to their capital contribution, the amount of profit is also decided. So loss may be depends, the amount of loss which is occurred by the different type of partners is mentioned. If they want to extend the partners, so how they invite the different partners, all the details relating with that is also mentioned in the partnership agreements. If anyone you want to resign, or if anyone want to withdraw their partnership, so how they can do, and what amount of withdrawal they received at the time of leaving the partnership deed and partnership agreement and partnership business. So at resolution, death, all the information should be recorded in the partnership agreement. So if anything happen in the near future relating with their business, relating with their dispute, so it helps to it solve them. It may be registered and unregistered. Registered partnership help to solve the business. So all the information relating with partner, all the information relating with the goods, and all the information relating with their profit loss, contribution, capital, investment, their withdrawal, resolution, death, extension, and all the information is recorded in the partnership agreement. It helps to do the business very easily. So it is all about the partnership agreement. Thank you.